Okay, this is going to be your activity for Thursday. I am really sorry for missing so many days of school. I do apologize. I hate missing this many in a row. Some of you probably don't mind me not being there. But regardless of that, I do apologize and I hope to be back Friday. I, fingers crossed, I'll let you know when I get back. So, anyway, we're kind of moving back to Asia. We're going to look a little bit on Buddhism today, and then we're kind of done with the studying of world religions, all right? So, you should have your parts of your Islamic star done to turn in when I get back on Friday. You should have the Indus River Valley little short web quest done as well. I saw that most of you had it completed, so I assume that went well. Yesterday, you watched a few videos on Islam. It's kind of a wrap up. And then today, we're going to switch back to Asia and look at how India was unified through the use of Buddhism, okay? You're going to be looking at one specific man named Ashoka, who was a leader of India for a while, and how he used Buddhism to influence others to realize they're similar and to unify India into one country instead of being separate. So for this assignment, it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. You're going to be reading these edicts on the left here that I'm going to highlight right now. There's several of them. It's a quote from one of his teachings. An edict is an official order, and it's something he said needed to be done. So, for example, Edict A is, on the roads, trees have been planted for the enjoyment of animals and men. I have had ponds dug and shelters erected along the roads. Everywhere I have had wells dug. So then I'm going to go over to the second column here, the goal. And goal means what was he trying to accomplish by growing trees for animals and people, as well as digging ponds to provide water and shelters? What's the goal of it? You think it's a Buddhist value, general welfare, justice, security, and numbers listed on the drawing. We're going to skip that. I'm going to erase that part. So anyway, you're going to pick one of those. If you're unsure, use the link here with the reading on it. That will help you know about him and his edicts. And if you scroll through, it gives you Buddhist values, general welfare in section 4, which would help you understand what each of those means. So for this one, I'm going to say it's general welfare. You could say something different. That's fine. So if I thought it was general welfare, I would simply highlight it. That's not highlighting it. Highlight it. There we go. And then here I would write one sentence explaining why I felt that. Why is digging wells to provide water, creating shelters and trees going to better the general welfare of India and hopefully bring people together? I don't know, write one sentence of why you think so. So you're going to do that for each of these. And then the fun parts at the end. I'm not sure if this is going to take you all class period. It may or may not. So when you're finished, there are 3 links here for games you can play. You may only play these games, not other games of your choices. When you're finished with the edicts, please turn this in so it's completed, okay? Now, I hope to be back tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Everything goes well, and I will be, and I'll let you know why I was gone if you want to know then. Email me if you have questions. It's the only really way to contact me. I can't check my email throughout the day, but when I get done, I will respond to you as soon as I can. Miss you guys, and see you Friday, hope.